Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Messenger profile picture not showing problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, find Messenger apps and then tap and hold on Messenger apps. Now open Messenger app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option and then clear cache Messenger storage. Now go back, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now go back to home screen, go to Play Store, tap on search app and then search Messenger. Now update Messenger apps. Now wait for completing update process. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to Messenger and see problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.